So we look at this question. This is IGCSE 2023. Okay, exam paper 1, question 1A. So we need to write x squared minus 14x plus 8 in the form of this. So we can solve this problem two ways. One, we use the computing the square. So we have the 5x squared minus 14x plus 8. We factorize the 5, then it will become x squared minus 14 over 5x plus 8 over 5. Then we have the 5x squared minus 14 over 5 plus negative 7 over 5 squared minus negative 7 over 5 squared plus 8 over 5. Okay, then it will become 5 and x minus 7 over 5 squared. So we have the minus 49 over 25 plus 8 over 5. So it will become negative 9 over 25. Negative 9 over 25. So it will become 5x minus 7 over 5 squared minus 9 over 5. Okay, to check the answer is very easy. Uh, but it is in the paper 1, you cannot check answer because paper 1 cannot use calculator. So if in the paper 2, you can use calculator to check your answer. So you have the polynomial degree 2. Then we have the 5 negative 14, 8, that the root is 2, 4 over 5. Okay, so we have the root is 2 and then 4 over 5. Okay, and then the axis of symmetry will be the 7 over 5. Okay, so x minus 7 over 5, x equal to 7 over 5 is the axis of symmetry, and the negative 9 over 5 will be the minimum value. Yes, so my answer is correct. Okay, the other method is to expand this one. Okay, so you expand this one and then get this answer. We have the ax plus b squared plus c. So we have the this one. Okay, so we need to write this. Okay, so I use method number 2. Okay, so we have the a. Okay, we have the ax plus b squared plus c, then x squared plus 2bx plus b squared plus c, ax squared plus 2abx plus ab squared plus c. So we compare the coefficient of a squared. Okay, x squared. So the x squared is 5. So the a equal to 5. And then we compare the coefficient of x. So coefficient of x will be this one. Okay, so we have the negative 14 equal to 2ab. So the b will be negative 14 over 2a. So b is negative 14 over 2 times 5. So it's negative 7 over 5. Okay, so we cancel here. Okay, we cancel here 7 over 5, negative 7 over 5. Okay, so after that we can compare the the coefficient without x. So we have the 8 equal to ab squared plus c. So 8 equal to 5 negative 7 over 5 squared plus c. Okay, so we have the 8 equal to 5 times 49 over 25 plus c. So we can cancel here 5 here. Okay, then we have the c is 8 minus 49 over 5 is negative 9 over 5. So the y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So it will be 5x minus 7 over 5 squared minus 9 over 5. Okay. So we have the 8 minus 49. Okay, 9, 8 minus 49 over 5. Then it's negative 9 over 5. 8, yeah, okay. So B, hence write down the coordinate of the stationary point. Okay, so the stationary point, we have the axis of symmetry is the x minus 7 over 5 equal to 0. So x equal to 7 over 5. So this is the minimum value. So we have the 7 over 5 negative 9 over 5. Okay, 7 over 5 negative 9 over 5 will be the stationary point. So on the axis below, sketch the graph of this, fitting the coordinate of the point where the graph meet the coordinate axis. Okay, so we have this one, we have 2 and 4 over 5, 5x squared minus 18, 14, minus 14x plus 5. Actually, we can do the factorization. Okay, so what we can do here is we do the factorization. So this one, if we have equal to 0, then we can do the factorization equal to 0, x, 5x, and then we have the 2, 4, minus, minus. So x minus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to 2. 5x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 4 over 5. So when x equal to 0, then it will be 5 0 square minus 14 0 plus 8, that is 8. So we have the 0, 8. Okay, so this is 0 0.8, 2. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, so go back to this part. We look at the question here. The x equal to 7 over 5. 7 over 5 is 1.4. So this one is actually 1.4 negative 1.8. Okay, so the graph for this one without modulus. So the graph without modulus, the graph, how the graph without modulus will look like. So the graph without modulus will look like this. We have the 2 and 0 0.8 is the axis of symmetry. So we have the 0 0.8, 2. This one is 1.4 negative 1.8. Okay, so we have the 1.4 negative 1.8, 0 0.8, 2, and then we have the 0, 8 here. So this is 0, 8. Okay, but this is the y equal to 5x squared minus 14x plus 8. If we modulus this one, then this one will be here. Okay, so this is how the graph look like. So the graph will look like this. Okay, so what will we have here is something like this. We have 8 here. Okay, so this is 8. This is 0 0.8. This is 2. This is 1.4, 1.8. Okay, so write down the range for k, which the equation, this one equal to k, have 4 distinct roots. So we look at the graph here. Okay, if I have x less than 0, okay, y less than 0, then they don't have root. Equal to 0, 2 root. And then greater than 1.8, 2 root as well. And at the 1.8, 3. Okay, so between 0 and 1.8, then they have uh, the 4 distinct root. Okay, equal to k. So the k is between 0 and 1.8. Okay, don't not included the 0. Okay, so we know that the k between 0 and 1.8, we have 4 roots. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when we have the k equal to 1.8, okay, k equal to 1.8, here we will have 3 roots. 1, 2, 3, 3 roots. Okay, if we have the x equal to 0, k equal to 0, then we have 2 roots. So we have the k equal to 0, 2 roots, 1, 2. And as well as if we have the k is greater than 1.8, then we have 2 roots as well. So k greater than 1.8, then we have 2 roots. Okay, and this is the schema. So 5x minus 7 over 5 square minus 9 over 5. So b1 for this 5, and then b1 for the negative 7 over 5, and the b1 for the negative 9 over 5. So the coordinate of this 7 over 5 comma negative 9 over 5. Okay, so this one is have tb1. Okay, for each follow through on their A and B from A. Okay. Actually, this question can use differentiation, but I don't use the differentiation first because we can we use computing the square for this question. So the graph will look like this. Okay. So correct shape must have the parabola part on the curve with maximum in the first quadrant and cup on the x-axis. Ignore labeling of their maximum point if incorrect coordinate. So the B1 for the 4.50 and 20. So the x-intercept, that is the root that you have to write. And then the 0, 8, okay, it is one y-intercept you also must have. Okay, so the k is between 0 and 9 over 5. Okay, so full mark for this question is uh 10 marks. Okay, 10 marks. Yes, 10 marks. So we have the 3, 2, 3, 2. Yes, 10 marks.